Welcome to Jim's Code Corner. My name is Jim Belcher, and welcome back in our series on creating our CardstoX program. Um, in this video, we're going to continue on. Last time we made the API gateway. Today, we're going to introduce service discovery. Let's go ahead and pull this guy. Once again, I don't have any description for this. It's, once again, one of those things. It's pretty self-explanatory. So we're going to create a service discovery using a tool called Eureka. And what that's going to enable us to do is do monitoring. If we want to do client-side load balancing, we could do that. And it's just going to allow our proxy with Zool to know where our services are. So all these things are going to work together as kind of some perfect little harmony, singing kumbaya with each other. It's actually going to be really cool when we're done. But I want to take it really slow. That's why I'm doing a separate task and not all one thing and jumping it all and doing it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to actually create that service discovery with Eureka. So let's go ahead and do that. So first thing I need to do is go to my Spring Initializer, and I still have things from the last video. Let's go ahead and do service discovery. Remove Zool. And we want Eureka. We want Eureka server. I believe that's what I want. Yeah. So Eureka server, I'll go in and I'll open up that zip file. And I'll move that into CardstoX. There we go. And if I can find it, there it is. Go ahead and minimize this project. It's our gateway project. We don't care about that one, not at the moment at least. We are going to now open, import existing project, and it's going to be development, CardstoX, service discovery. Open that guy up. Close that project down so I don't get confused. So we have service discovery here, and I want to go ahead and start by going into the application, the main file, and we are going to have to put the proper annotation on this guy. So it's pretty easy. It's tell it to use Eureka's server, so we're just going to do I do it on top of it, honestly. Enable Eureka server. And you saw, if you saw real quick there was one for client as well. We'll use that later. We're not going to be using that right now. Okay, so now this guy, it knows it's a Eureka server. Let's go ahead and do a couple application properties. Let's do a server port, and let's make that be 8761, because that's what I like. Eureka dot client dot register with a Eureka. Go ahead and turn it off for now. If you need some descriptions, go ahead and look those up. Eureka dot client dot fetch registry. Nope, I don't want that happening either. And let's go ahead and turn the logging off for now. So logging dot level. Yeah, let's leave that on for now. See if it shouldn't break anything. Okay, so that should be all there is to actually set up Eureka. So let's go ahead and try to build that project and see what happens. Go kill that guy. cd dot dot, and we'll go to CardstoX and to the service discovery, and we'll do Gradle, boot run. Let this do its job. Eureka server comes with a nice little GUI, so we should be able to actually see something on the screen. That's why I'm actually building and showing you, not just showing you that it will build. Okay, going through the build process now. Okay, and you'll see us doing some things down here. So it's looking for things that are registered right now. There we go. Updating, starting report 8761. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to our browser. We'll go to localhost 8761. Voila, Spring Eureka. So this tells us a little bit of information here, how long it's been up and running, the current time, um, the environments in test mode, if we have any replicas. Also tells us any applications that are registered with this discovery tool, and stuff about our instance. So it tells us a good deal of information. So this is a pretty cool tool. I really like it. I really enjoy using it. But let's take it one step further. Let's tell, oh, excuse me. Let's tell Zool to use it. So Zool is once again our API gateway. So let's go back to here, and we will open up. We'll close that project down, and we'll go to API gateway, and we'll go back to the application properties there, and we'll put in a endpoint here. So we'll do Eureka dot client, because we are a client, service URL, tell where the service is, the default zone. And what we're going to do is we're going to tell it, how do I put that there? Tell it that it's at localhost for now. This is just this local properties, so localhost colon 8761 and slash Eureka. Okay, now we know that we're using Eureka. It's a client. I believe that's all we need. I don't think this needs to have the actual client annotation. I may be wrong on that, and we'll see here in a second. But the proxy needs to know where these services are, and Eureka is going to tell it where these things are. So that's going to be pretty cool in that sense. So let's rebuild both my projects, make sure they're working. We'll start with our client one, so let's create a new tab. That cd documents development CardstoX, and we'll go to the API gateway, and we'll go ahead and build that guy. Gradle boot run. Not quite sure if it'll fail because we're not doing the Eureka server first, but we'll see. Okay, let's able to start without issue. Let's now build API gateway. Almost there. Okay, so we're up and running. Let's go ahead, we'll refresh this page. And yes, we're still up and running, no issue. Okay, so looks like service discovery is up and running. However, trying to think if I want it, the API gateway is part of that discovery. So if they do, I might create a follow-up video doing that. But that's all I want us to do right at the moment. So that's all I have for this video. I know it's still not much to show here, but when we start building microservices, which I believe is not next video, but the video after, because next I think we're doing our client or our cloud config, yeah. After that, once we start building our real microservices, you'll see how all this ties together, and that's really cool how it does that. Um, but that's all I got for this video. If you have any questions, please leave your comment below or email me. I'll put my email address in the description. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Um, and that's all I got for you guys today. So thank you very much.